On February 15, 2026, Sunday, the bodies of Tawnia McGeehan, 38 mother, and her daughter Addi Smith, 11 preteen, were found dead in a hotel room at the Rio Hotel Casino, 3700 Flamingo Road in Las Vegas. They had traveled from Utah for a cheerleading air dance competition with Utah Xtreme Cheer, but missed it that morning. Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, LVMPD, determined it was a murder-suicide. McGeehan shot and killed her daughter sometime on Saturday night on February 14th, then turned the gun on herself. A note was found at the scene, but its contents weren't publicly detailed. Both were pronounced dead at the scene. Here's the key sequence of events based on LVMPD statements from Lieutenant Robert Price and news reports. Saturday, February 14, 2026, evening/night. McGeehan and Smith were last seen around 8 p.m. at another Las Vegas location, New York Hotel Casino, per one report. The shootings occurred sometime overnight in their Rio hotel room. No reports of gunshots were received by police. KTNV.com, Sunday, February 15, 2026, early morning. The pair failed to appear at the cheer competition. Family, friends, and the Utah Xtreme Cheer team reported them missing and shared flyers on social media urging contact. sltrib.com. Sunday, 10:45 a.m. Wellness welfare check. LVMPD dispatch received a call requesting a welfare check for the mother and daughter at the Rio. Officers arrived with hotel security, went to the room, and knocked on the door while calling into the room repeatedly. For over 15 minutes, there was no response. Police determined there wasn't enough information or probable cause to enter the room without permission. HGG, no signs of immediate distress like screams or visible hazards. They informed hotel security of the welfare call and left the area. ReviewJournal.com +2. Sunday, 2:30 p.m. Second attempt in discovery. Concerned family and friends continued contacting the hotel. Rio security returned to the room, knocked several more times with no answer, and then decided to enter using their access, a master key or similar. They found McGeehan and Smith deceased from apparent gunshot wounds, backed out immediately, and called 911. ReviewJournal.com +1. Sunday afternoon, police response. LVMPD officers returned to the hotel, secured the scene, and notified homicide detectives. The deaths were ruled a murder-suicide based on the investigation. Mother killed daughter, then herself. Celltrib.com. Monday, February 16, 2026. Lieutenant Price held a news conference confirming the details. Utah Xtreme Cheer posted a statement about Addi's death. The Rio Hotel Casino directed all inquiries to LVMPD. This was a tragic case involving a custody battle in the family's past, per some reports, but police haven't released a motive. Resources for those affected, National Suicide Prevention Lifeline 988, or similar local support. The police's initial wellness check followed standard protocol for hotel welfare calls when there's no clear exigency to force entry. The bodies were only discovered hours later when security escalated based on ongoing family pressure.